Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Ayan, another video, ayan, panty haul. So for today's video guys, I have a new undies, of course. All the way from Shopee University. Ayan, so guys, I have here the purple. Ayan, purple siya with, ayan, purple and black and pink with full of hearts. Okay? So, unahin muna natin siya guys. Ayan. This is large guys. Okay? This is large and of course, ayan, ganyan siya guys. Very, very nice. Ganyan siya sa harap. This is high cut guys. Maganda talaga siya. Ayan. Mura lang ni siya guys sa Shopee. So, this one. Ganyan siya. Ayan, sa loob. Okay? I really like this. Ganyan siya sa harap guys. And then sa likod is ganyan. And then, maganda yung quality. Ayan. So, inatin mo pa yan siya. Maganda talaga yung quality niya. Ayan, ganyan siya. Pak. This is very nice guys. Very, very nice. I like it. Ganyan yung kanyang quality. So, ang isa naman is kanin din. This is also large. Ayan. Large din siya guys. With good quality. And then, pink hearts. Ayan. Ang ganda niya. Diba? Sa kanyang pack. Pink heart siya guys. And then, very cute. And this is sa harap. And then, yan sa loob guys. I like it so much when it comes to dito guys. Kasi double siya. And then, stretchy. I like it. Okay? And also, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if you like my video. And heart. Ayan. Ayan siya. I am ready to wear this. Ganyan siya na guys sa loob. Parehas lang sila large as in. Very nice, very cute, very, very comfortable also to wear. So, I'm so excited to wear na this one. So, let's go. Isuot na natin sila guys. Tell me guys which one is better ha? This one or this one? Ayan. So, let's go. Let's wear na. Suot na natin sila. Okay. So, ayan, diba? And, of course, ganyan siya sa likod, guys. Ayan, pak. Ang likod niya is ganyan. I really like it. Maganda siya, guys. Ayan, ganyan siya. Ang ganda niyo, guys. I like it so much. Maganda siya. And then, very, very nice. Ganyan, pak. Ayan, ganyan sa likod. I like it. Ganyan. I like it. It's really fit. Ayan, ganyan siya. Maganda siya, guys. Ganyan. And then, dito, high cut siya, guys. So, maganda talaga siya pag ganyan. I really like it. Ayan. Sige, suot natin ang isa. Tingnan natin kung maganda din. Let's go. Ganyan din dito sa likod guys. Pak. Ang ganda niya dito sa likod. Wow, di ba? I like it. Maganda siya guys as in. Of course, ganyan din siya sa likod. Pak. Let me know which one is better, this one or the other one. Ka-quality, maganda talaga siya. The quality is good. Ayan, makita mo, pak. Dito yung mga heart, maganda siya. I really like it, of course. Also, maganda siya talaga. It's cute colors. I like. Good quality also and very comfy. Ayan. I hope you like the video. Let me know guys which one is better. The first one or this one. Ayan. Thank you for watching everyone.